Preview Side Defender 2, the industry's most advanced side collision avoidance solution, has been developed specifically for over-the-road and in-city truck operators. With urban VRU warning, Preview Side Defender 2 is designed to reduce the number of collisions with vulnerable road users, such as bicycles and motorcycles, while ignoring parked cars, other stationary objects, and road signs to reduce nuisance alerts. Just like the VRU, the lane change assist functionality ignores guardrails while alerting drivers when there is a vehicle in the adjacent lane. The frequency of highway and urban collisions are rising by nearly 10% per year. Preco has developed the market-leading technology that assists heavy-duty vehicle operators to mitigate these collisions. Using active audible and visual alerts, the Side Defender 2 system warns drivers and allows them to make the appropriate actions to mitigate collisions. Additionally, it can integrate with telematics applications, vehicle control systems, vision systems, and other sensors using industry-standard protocols. Because of the way the technology communicates, it works on all Preco sensors. Side Defender 2 can be combined with Sentry on back of truck. As part of the Side Defender 2 system, the Preview V2 in-cab display informs operators and offers installers more flexibility and time savings. For retrofit applications, the new display can provide a GPS-based vehicle speed message, while OEMs and bodybuilders can connect the display directly to the vehicle CAN bus for vehicle speed.